In a pan, add 2 teaspoons of oil. Add a half teaspoon of mustard seeds and half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add 1 spoon of green chilli and 1 spoon of ginger. Adding 1 cup of chopped onion. Add 1 cup of chopped tomato. Fry all the ingredients till soft and musty. In this stage, I am adding vegetables: 2 numbers of cutted beans, 1 numbers of grated carrot, half cup of grated cabbage, add salt as per our required. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chili powder. Add each half teaspoon of garam masala, chaat masala and cumin powder. Final stage, I am adding coriander leaves and then add 2 teaspoons of tomato sauce. Now masala stuffing is ready. In a tawa, add butter. Once butter gets melted, add bread pieces. Apply butter on the other side also. Toast the bread both sides well. Bread toast is ready now.